So okay na. Okay, so let's okay na. So now fine, okay, let it be, okay na. So what is that, which field we have need to validate? Just I will validate what is that employee name, right? Employee name, okay na. Employee name I want to validate. So what is that here I taken, right? What is that reference name? Employee, here I we are already taken, right? So what is that emp dot, what is that setter getter we are using, right? So, we used in the class, in the that model class. So for that, what is that employee name get? Okay na. So this logic we will write inside that. After then what is that, what we will write now, what we will write now? Okay, what we will write now, here what is that, we will take the error class. Come to the our diagram, what we are saying that target class will call what, error class, okay na. Error class, what is that error class? Already there in this argument, this error class, okay na. So we will use this one, okay na. What is that error dot, what is that reject method, reject value method is there, right? Reject value method is there, okay na. So okay, we will call this method, okay na. So here what we will do now, we will pass this model, which field we will validate, right? Which one, first one we are going to validate it now. So we will call this, we will take this validator and we will pass here. Here when I will introduce internationalization, just pass null. At the time I will explain, okay na. Null, just here pass the null. After then here write the message. What message we can able to, what message we will write in the there, right? Those message we will get here, okay na. So for that we will write one message. What message we can write it here now? You please, please, what is that, please put, right? Please put a to z or a to z, right? A to z, okay na. A to z or a to z, okay na. A to z, okay. Minimum minimum 4 letter, max what is that, 9. This is message, this is, we want this message on our what, our own, our form page, okay na. So now just only one field I validated, okay na. Let's see that we are getting the result or not, we are getting the result or not. But first what is that, we will apply, I said that, right? I will use which annotation, component. So how our IOC container will instantiate this class? So because this is our own developer class, right? So for that we will write at the rate, what is that component annotation on the top of what, this class, okay na. So after then, but we have need to use, come to our UML notation, right? Come to our UML notation, where this validator class, where we are using now, in the controller class, right? In the controller class. Oh, okay. So now what we will do now, open the controller class, open the controller class, okay na. Open the controller class. So in here only we will use this one, okay na. So here only we will use this one. So for that, okay na, we will write the logic here, okay na. We have need to write, forget this one, these things, forget it, okay na. How we will write the logic, let's see that. Everything is the same, everything will be same, friend, okay na. Just we will increase here one more thing, error class. Errors, what is that, errors, what is that, error, right? Error, we will increase this one in the argument, okay na. Because this has method, because this has method is there in the error class only, right? So based on that we will write the logic, okay na. Because of that I'm using this error class, okay na. So now okay, fine, friend, okay na. So in, we will increase one more things in the argument. After then what is that, we will here string page, right? Page one equal to null, we will take, okay na. We will take string equal to null. I will tell why we will write. After then what is that, we will write the logic inside that. What is that, if, here only, if error, take the error, right? If error is there, but before what is that, come here, one things we are forgetting, where has a relation will be there, this class in the controller. So what we will do now, come to top in the class only, right? So what is that, private, what is that, employee, right? Employee validator, right? Employee, what is that, validator, sorry, employee validator validation. Just this is the, we are taking, using what is that, has a relation, right? So but we are using that object. So what we will do now, auto wire, we will auto wire here, okay. So now fine, we are auto wired, right? Auto wired. After then what we will do now, we will call here, we will call this one using this reference, right? This class, that class, come here, I already explained how in the controller, use in the model attribute, we are reading the data from the controller. After then what is that, here we are performing the operation, and our controller is calling this, validator class, right? Our controller is calling this validator class. So for that, how, so but in this method, in this class, what is that, in this class, come here, in the class, so we have need to call this method, right? We have need to call this method, and then this method execution will be happen, right? Then this method execution will be happen. So for that, what we will use, this one, validation, right? This using validation, we will call validation method, right? Validation method. Inside that target class, what we will pass, this object we will pass, right? This object we will pass, and error information, error class information we will pass in this argument, right? So now based on this one, it will come in the this class, and this method will call, right? We are calling this method inside what, using this one, right? Using this one, we are calling this one method, this method only, right? To execute this logic, okay na? So after then what is that, we will check if condition. If condition means if error is there in our form, based on our requirement, if our form is, if error has error, we will call this method. Come to UML diagram, what is that, has error, right? Here only, if error is there, right? If error is there, then what we will do now, what is that, which one we are returning, what is the, first, come here, in the src mean, this employee, right? This is the employee form, right? We will return this employee form, okay now, we will return this employee form. So what is that, how we can return it, okay na? So for that, what is that, page, this one, we will take this page, right? Page equal to, what is that, we will return, we will return that page. What is that, employee form, that page we will return, okay na? We will return, else we will, again we will write the condition, else not error there, right? else, not read, error is there, right? So if error is not there, so then what we will do now, just we will return this one, right? Map equal to map, inside that we will write this logic. After then what is that, return page, right? Page equal to, what is that, page equal to data page, right? Data, right? Data, we will return this one. And see, if error is there, then imply page will become here, and here what we will do now, here page, we will return the page, right? Page, okay na? Page, okay. So whatever logic we need, all logic we wrote here, okay na? All logic we wrote here, okay na? So but come here, come in the diagram, come the how, but how we can read the error, using what is the form colon error path, right? Form colon error path. So come to our what is that, this employee form, okay na? So where just one field we validated, right? One field we validated. So how, so down it, come here, okay na? So what is that, form colon error, right? Error tag, right? Error tag, inside that, what is that, path, right? Path, okay na? Pass this one, pass this variable name inside this one, okay na? Pass this inside the variable name. But this one look like black, okay na? So come here, in the HTML, error should be look like red, right? Red, for that we will write one CSS code, okay na? Let's write it, okay na? Let's write it. What is that, style, right? Style, inside that what we will do now, come here, okay na? Come here, okay? So what is that, er, just I'm writing that, right? Dot symbol I will use here, er. After then what is that, color, color, color colon red, right? We will make the red only, okay na? So after then what is that, one more tag we will use inside this one only. What is that, css class, okay na? Css class, inside that we will pass er, just we will pass that one, right? This name. Then whatever message we will get, that message we will get as a error, red color, right? Red color. So let's run the application. Other things will not still validated, just only one field we validated, right? This one, okay na? Let's run the application and we will see that, okay na? We will see that, and after then we will validate next, okay? we will we will validate next, okay? Okay, So now let's run the application. I'm running the application. Okay, now I will show this one. Okay, now based on our expectation, we completed one field validation, right? One field validation we completed now. Now what I'm going to do now, just refresh it. Okay. Wait. Okay, na? Wait. Just refresh it. It's still program is not completed. Okay, na? 100%. Wait it. We will get it. We will get it. Yeah. Okay, na? Just click the register button. See what message we are getting here now. Please put A to Z minimum 4 maximum. Means until unless we will not fulfill their requirement of this box, right? It will not submit, right, friend? Right, friend? Means our expectation, based on our expectation, our validation is happening now. Okay, na? So minimum 4 letter, right? So just I'm using 1 letter. After register it, still is, the data is not going, right? Just I'm using what? Now if I, because these things we not validated, right? So now see, we got means emp name Amit we got, but other field we not validated, right? So for that we are getting. Okay, na? So let's other field also validate it. Okay, na? So now just we will concentrate on from here onward in the validation logics only. Okay, na? So let's here. Okay, na? So for that, what is that? Another, we want to validate another field also, right? We want to validate another field also. Okay, fine. So what we will do now, come here. Okay. Okay. So what is that? What is that? Which one? Another EMP password is there, right? EMP password is there. Okay, na? EMP password is there. Okay, na? We will validate this one. So how we will validate it now? How we will validate it now? Okay, na? So let's see that. Okay, na? So let's see that how we can validate it. Okay, how we can validate it. Again we will write the same logic. Okay, na? How, what is that? Our requirement is what is a not pattern, right? Pattern, not pattern, right? Not pattern, what is that? Not pattern. Okay, na? Not pattern, what is that? Inside that what we will use now, right? Matches, right? Matches, matches. Inside that what is that expression we will use, right? Which expression? Which expression? Which expression? We can use what is the A to Z also, A to Z also, A to Z also, small A to Z also. After then what is that? After then what is that? Digit also, 0 to 9 digit also. Okay, na? So okay, so but minimum, what is that? Minimum these things how much? Minimum 4, and maximum what is that? 8, right? Our password will be this much only, right? Our password will be this much only. So after the next one is what we will do now? What we will do now? Come here. What is that? EMP. We will take the EMP dot, what is that? Get password, right? Get password. Okay, na? Get password. That's it, friend. Okay, na? That's it, friend. Okay, na? So come here. Come here. Okay, na? Come here. Come here. What again? What we will take like this? Again we will write the logic. Okay. What is that error? What is that error? Stop the server. Okay, na? Again, what is that error? Error dot, what is that? Reject value, right? Oh sorry, error dot, what is that? Reject value. Reject value, right? Reject value. Okay, na? So for that, what is that? What is that? Again come to model class, right? Come to model class. Which one? Copy this attribute, copy this attribute, and come again, right? Come again and here pass it. Okay, na? Here I will tell when we will use null, just pass the null, no need to use it. Okay, na? Here write the message. Okay, na? What is that message? Please put A to Z, A to Z, A to Z, and A to Z, right? A to Z minimum 4, and max is what? Max is 9, right? Max is 9. This is the message. Okay, na? Again come to GSP page also, right? Come to GSP again. Which field we are validating? This one, right? So again what we will write? Form colon error, form colon error, right? Form colon error. Inside that what we will do now? What we will do now, friend? Okay, path, right? We will write again path. So same attribute we will copy and paste here, okay na. And after then what is that, css class we will use, and err, whatever css er, right, er, whatever css name we taken. Okay, now you want to see that based on that our expectation is working or not. You people want, okay, so let's see that, okay na. Let's see that, okay na, based on our expectation is working or not, okay na. Okay, so based on our expectation it's working. So now let's run the application. Let's run the application and we will see that, okay na. Whatever things we are doing, friends, each and everything we will see the practical only, right? So a single line also if we are writing, we will analyze that and we will see that as expectation our line is working or not, our line is working or not. See how first I explain the clear given clear image diagram. After then I'm doing the practical, we are seeing that those things, friend, okay na. So this is really good, okay. This is what really good, okay na. So we will understand each and everything, okay na, as a practical. Just it will take time little bit. I know that based on this scenario, like this kind of learning it's taking time, but you know how much clarity is there, think about that, okay now. So now just click the register button. See we are getting the error message, right? Please put until unless if we are not fulfill this field, right, we will get the error only. So okay, I'm taking Amit here password, right, still. Now see Amit means this one is the correct, but still we are not filling the what is that password. So what is that, I'm using what is that, a123 anything, right? So now if we click on the register button, it will submit it now. So see Amit and whatever data we put those things, but still these things is null only, right? And these things in null. So let's validate those things also, right? Let's validate those things also, okay na. So okay, come again in what, validation class, come again in the validation class, okay. Come again in the validation class, friend, okay na. So means here what is that, selection, select, choose button is there, right? Choose means one or two means here we are not writing anything using like text, so no need. So what is that, in spring, let's spring also given one utility class, right? Spring utility, string utility, we will use that one only, because instead of writing our own logic, that logic is there in that class. So for that what is that, not what is that, util string util method is there, right? Stop the server. String utils, right? String utils dot what is that, in the has text one method is there, right? Has text one method is there, we will pass that one, right? Has text one method is there, we will pass that one only, right? So here what we will do now, just emp dot what is that, get what is that, gender, right? Gender we will call this one, okay na. So that's it, because this is already, you want to see that explicitly we will write the logic, instead of we can use the what is spring. See what is the like, mean string not equal to null, and what is the string is empty, and string content should be there, right? We instead of writing this method, we can this logic, we are using this logic, okay na. That's it. And this logic is there in the what is that, string utility class, okay na. String utility class, string is given. So for that, it's not meaning that we will use everywhere these things only. Let's use the string whatever facility is given spring, those things also we will use it, right? Now error dot what is that, 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 reject, error dot what is that, reject value, right? Error dot what is that, reject value, fine. So now come here, right? Come here, model class emp gender, we will take the employee gender, okay na. We will take the employee gender now, fine, okay. So here what we will do now, null, pass the null, okay. After passing the null, here message is there, right? Here message is there. What is the message is there? Please select one gender, select one gender, okay na. We will get this message, okay na. We will get this message, okay na. Let's validate all field, because step to step all field we will validate it, okay na. So now find gender, right? So again what we will do now here in this here only, right? What is that, form colon, right? Form colon what is that, error, right? Error, okay. So error, we will take the error. After then what is that? Path, right? Path. Okay, what is the path? Emp gender, right? This one. Okay, we will pass here only. After then what is that? CSS class. Okay na, er, just I'm taking er to show the red symbol. Okay na. After then another field is address is what is that? Come here. Address is what is the text area, right? So we will use the pattern matching in to validate this address. We will use the pattern matching. Okay na. So come to validation class. Again what is that? If again we will check the condition. Okay na. Again we will check the condition. What is that? Come to here. What is that? If not pattern, right? If not pattern matching dot, what is that? Matches. Okay na. Inside that we will write the logic, right? We will write the logic. What are logic? A to Z, A to Z. After then what is that? We can use small a to Z also, a to Z also, and we can use the 0 to 9 also, right? 0 to 9 also, right? 0 to 9 also. Okay, so now okay, fine. So now okay, so what is that? Minimum 10, minimum 10, maximum 250, 250, right? Word we can use. Okay na. So after then what is that? Next, what is that? Next one, next one is what? emp dot, what is that? Get emp address, this field. Okay na, we are validating now. Okay na. So again what we will write here? Error dot error dot errors dot, what is that? Errors dot, what is that? Reject, right? Errors dot, what is that? Reject. Okay na. Errors dot, what is that? Reject. Okay na. So error dot come to model, which one we are rejecting? Address class. Okay na. Address class. So what we will do now? Pass it. Okay na. Here null, here null. Fine. So null. After then what we will write the message here? What we will write the message, friend? So address address minimum 10 letter, 10 letter, maximum 250, right? 250, 250. Okay na. We validated. Okay na. But how? Come to GSP page, come to GSP page. Which one we are validating? New, this one. Okay na. So what we write? We will code the right farm colon, what is that? Error tag we will use, right? Inside that what is that? Path, right? Inside that we will use the path. After then what we will copy this one and paste inside this path. Okay na. After then css class we will use. Inside that er we will pass that to whatever message we will get, that message should be look like in red color. Okay na. For that we are using. After then one more select button is there, right? Select button is there. Okay na. Select country is the select button only, right? So means should not be empty. We have need to must send. So for that utility class again we will use the utility, right? So come in the validation, come inside that validation. Now if now what is that? Not if not string util, right? If not string util dot has, right? Has, has text. If has text. Okay na. So emp dot, what is that? Emp dot what? Get, emp dot get gender only, right? Yeah, grade. No, sorry, not a gender. uh, country empty, should not be empty. If empty is there then reject it. Okay na. So now what is that? Come here. Okay na. Come here. Now what is that? Error dot, what is that? Error dot what? Reject value, right? Reject value. Here what is that? Take the model class, what is that? Country, right? Country name. Okay na. After then what is? Pass it here. Okay na. After then what is that? Null, what is that? Come here, message, write the message. What is that? Please select at a list one country, at least one country, right? Okay, this message we will get, we want to get it, right? We want to get this message. Okay na. So now fine, friend. Okay na. So again one more field is there. Which field is there? Come to browser again, right? Employee language. Okay na. Employee language, 3 languages are there, right? Come here again, we will write the logic. Okay na. What is that? How we will write? If again we will check the condition. Okay na. What condition we will check? What condition we will check? Okay na. So for that we will check the condition again. What is that? emp dot what is that get, right? Emp dot get, because that is the list, right? That is the list. Okay na. So what is that language? Equal to null, equal to null. Okay na. If equal to null, or what is that, what is that what is that? Emp dot get, right? Get, emp dot get, what is that? Language, right? Get language dot is method is there. Is empty in string class, we know that, right? Is empty. If empty is there, if we are not selecting, then what we will do now? Error dot what is that? Error dot what is that? Reject, right? Reject value, reject value. Okay na. Inside that, what we will do now? What we will do now? Come here, right? Come here again in the model class. Okay na. Copy this one, copy this one. Okay na. Copy this one and paste it here. Okay na. After then, what is that? Null. Make this one as what? Null. Fine, friend. After then, here we will write the message. What message we will write? Please select at least, please select at least what is that? One language. Please select at least what is that? One language. Okay. So all field we validated, right? All field we validated. Now come to is form, right? Come to here form only, right? So what is that? How much address we are taking? Okay na. Employee country we not taking the error message. Okay na. So what we will do now? Come here. Okay. Come here only. What is that? What is that? Form colon, what is that? Form colon error tag, right? Error tag. Inside that, what we will do now? What we will do now? Path, right? Path. Okay, fine. Path, what we will pass it in the path? This country. Okay na. Country, paste it. Okay na. And here, what is that? CSS error, right? So CSS error. Inside that CSS error, ER, just we will pass that CSS name. After then, one more field is there. Which field? Error. This one, right? We already validated. So for that, what is that? Form colon, what is that? Error, right? Form colon error. Okay na. Form colon error. What is that? Path, right? What is that? Path. Okay na. So now here we will pass, copy this one, okay na. Copy this one. After then, what we will do now? What we will do now? CSS is class, right? CSS class, what we will pass it? Error message we will pass it. Okay na. So now everything is completed. Let's run the application and we will see the things. Okay na. See the things. Okay, we will see the things. Okay na. Now I'm running the application.
भाई के गाना सुना रहा है पूरा फुल कर दो
Wait it, friend. The application is running now. Okay. Yeah, everything is came, friend. Okay now. So I'm clicking on the register button. Okay now. See, all filled. Until unless if we are not filled up all filled, this form will not means send. Okay na, to controller. Okay na. So now, okay. So what is that? Amit. See, still I'm registering, but Amit is perfect, but another field is still required. Okay na. So now what is that? Just I'm taking 133. Okay, now I'm registering now. Okay, see, but still these things is asking. Okay na. So anything. Okay na. So now I'm selecting the mail also. Now click on that. See, all red gone, but still this field we are not validating, right? Means we are not putting. Means again we are getting the error. Okay, again we are getting the error. So now what is that? I'm going to take the address also, right? Now click it. So address also messages is gone. Okay, now means we are filling the all these things. Okay, so now select button, select country Nigeria. Okay, now I'm selecting. Okay, now see, from the Nigeria also red message is gone, but still one field we are not taking, right? So we are not taking, okay na. So now, okay, so now friend, okay na, come, okay na, I'm selecting one. What is that English word? Okay na, now register it, form will come. See, server side validation is completed. Employee name Amit, EMP password this, okay na. Employee gender male, employee address, employee country Nigeria, employee language English, okay na. So like this we are validating in the real time, friend, okay na. So now see how much easiest way based on the diagram and a UML diagram and how I implemented. See, I able to explain you people or not? I think I so, but based on that, what is that before? What is the necessary things? First, I explain this pattern matching. Okay, na. After then, see how much easiest way I deliver the subject to you people. I think my hard work is benefited for you people, right? My hard work is benefited for you people. Please give the response, friends. Okay, na. Please, please give the response. Okay, na. I need response from you people. Still anything need to explain in this application? Akhilesh, Ayodele, Jitendra, Manjulata, Padma, Prabhakar, Sharon, Suraj, please unmute yourself and ask any doubt is there, friend. What about others, friend? Prakash, what about clear, right? Clear. See, whatever things I'm doing, each and everything. First, I'm doing in the server side. After then, I'm refreshing the page and I'm showing to you people. Okay, na? I'm showing to you people. Okay, na? So like that, like this, we are performing the operation, right? But if see how clear, right? Clear. I'm reachable to you people, please. I made too much easiest way. Okay, now if you learn, it's my guarantee. If you learn from anyone, right, those people will not make this much easy. I came to your level. I made how much I can make the easy. I made right. I made, okay na. I don't know, friend. Okay na, but really need one time practical. Really one need one time practical, and everything will happen based on the what STL only, right? STL only. Still internationalization. Our next concept is what? Internationalization. Now I'm asking, shall I continue internationalization, you people having the capacity, or shall I stop it? Okay na, clear, give the clear information, then I will, okay na. Are any discussion about this till now? Any discussion need till now? Anybody, let me know that. Okay na, let me know that. Based on that, use the chat box, friend. Okay na, everyone use the chat box at least, and tell your what is that suggestion I want from you people. Okay, okay. What about others? What about others? People is giving too much, like the become, don't become lazy. Only 2 to 3 people is giving the reply. Yeah, continue. What about others? I'm waiting for everyone response. I'm waiting for everyone response. Shall I stop or shall I continue? Shall I stop the session or continue? Only one person need. What is that? Stop the session. Achilles, stop. Okay, Achilles, stop. How? See, this is the internationalization, right? Internationalization also minimum it will take 2 hours, friend. Okay, na minimum it will take 2 hours, 1 hour. Minimum 1 hour extra. I don't know how much, but minimum 1 hour it will take. So I need everyone response. Okay, na. Acha, okay. Okay, so till now, okay, let's stop the session, friend. Okay, na. we will meet next weekend. Okay, na? We will continue next weekend and we will understand the things. Okay, we will understand the things. Okay.
This week we will practice all these things.
Okay, do the practical and the next weekend our MBC will be complete. Okay, na? Next weekend we will complete the spring MBC with the mini project.
Okay.
And but don't worry, I will implement the things in this project only. Okay, na? I'm not going to create again one more project. I will implement in this project only. If you people want this project, I will share this git link to you people. Okay, na? In the group, copy this and analyze this one, and whatever things and whatever help need. Okay, na? Let me know that I will support you people. Okay, na? I will support you people. Okay, na? But do the practical. See how I easily injected and see validation is not a smallest things. Okay, na? But really I'm feeling by delivering you people this subject. Okay, na? I'm feeling yeah on the I'm feeling happy because I made too much easy validation, and how much I made the easy, that much easy is not there to learn the validation. Okay, na? So okay, I will put on YouTube. Don't worry, all videos I will put. Okay, na? If the video is there in my system, what is the use? At least if I put in on YouTube, people can watch and they can build their careers, right? Because that is the helpful for them. Okay, na? So all videos, don't worry, all videos I will put on the YouTube. Okay, na? I will not hide anything, friend. How much I can help the people, I will help. Okay, na? So okay, friends. So let's stop the session, and we will meet next weekend. Okay, we will meet next weekend, and the next weekend we will complete the what is that spring MBC, right? After then we will move on what spring rest. Spring rest. Next model is what spring rest. Okay, na?
Yeah, we've been waiting for that.
So next model is what spring rest. After then spring security. Then I will stop the spring model and then we will jump microservices spring boot. Okay, na? This is our plan. Okay.
Yeah, okay, Kavi, thank you.
Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, Kavi.
Time. Okay, na? Enjoy your week, and we will meet again weekend. Okay. We will meet again in the weekend, and in the weekend we will learn the internationalization and one mini project end to end concept we will implement in the mini project, and we will stop our what is that we will stop our what this spring MBC module. After then we will enjoy our what spring rest module. Okay, so okay, bye guys, bye bye.